Hello viewers and welcome to our channel The Explorer Family. This video is all about our experience in Hilton Pattaya, which is located in Central Pattaya, Thailand. So let's begin. So this is the lobby area where you find the reception at the left side. For you can have your all the check-in procedures completed. So at this side of this lobby, you will find the one of their restaurants, Drift, where you can have your casual dining and uh, cocktails as well. So they do have also an outside terrace with this restaurant where you can chill with your friends and family. And at this side, you will find their outdoor swimming pool at level 16. So with an infinite view of the Pattaya Bay. So after completing all the check-in procedures, we have gone to our room in 30th floor. So you can see we have taken a family room. It's called the Twin Deluxe Ocean View room, where we had two queen beds and a beautiful ocean view balcony. You can see that. Wow. Okay, now my daughter Arisha will take you through the room tour. So let's have a look.
Okay, so this is the closet. It has two bathrobes and a few hangers, and this space the mini bar. Other than the two water bottles and the tea bags, nothing is complimentary. And here's the mini fridge. It has some drinks and a few chocolates. And this is the overall mini bar. This way are the two twin beds. And here's a very cute note from the housekeeper. And here's the TV. And beside the TV, there is a dressing table too. And here's the couch. And here's the balcony. The view from here is very soothing, as you can see. So here's the washroom. There's a big tub here. And here's the toilet. And this is the shower. And this way, there is a big mirror with all the washroom amenities.
So all right, so this is all about our room, and we stayed there for one night, and it costed us almost 7,000 Thai baht per night, including breakfast for two adults. So the next day, we went for the breakfast in this area, and it is another restaurant of theirs called Edge. So it has a terrace as well, where you can have your food or the breakfast. So they do have multiple cuisines in the breakfast. We enjoyed all the foods very much because the taste was really good. We had our coffee in the terrace, and the atmosphere was really wonderful. And so this is another area that we have shown in the lobby area in the beginning of this video. This is the terrace area of the Drift restaurant, where you can chill with your friends and families, have a really very nice time with this scenic beauty of the Pattaya Bay. And finally, it is the swimming pool with the infinity view of the Pattaya Bay. And this is the iconic building architecture of the Hilton Pattaya. So they do have all the jacuzzi and the children pool over in the left side, and this is the side for the adults. So this is all about our stay at Hilton Pattaya. So in front of this hotel, this is the beach area where we spent really a very good time in the evening. So thank you for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you. Bye.